Alright, so looks like Blizz has dropped another cinematic on us today. It is the Old Soldier cinematic. I'm suspecting it's something about Saurfang. I know nothing about it. I just saw it drop. Wanted to watch it and share it with you guys, so let's crank it up and see how it goes. We do love Saurfang so much. See on the battlements of Undercity, looking out maybe? Not sure. He seems unsure of himself.
Oh, Lord Saurfang. How many do you think?
Too many.
But I think he's remembering the total deaths of his lifetime plus this.
There is no honor in this. They will come for us now. All of them.
My father, Nikazi, he fought with you in the Third War. He told me stories, how you could cut down 10 enemies with a single blow. This be my first battle. What should I do?
To die.
Nice.
Yes, of course, but if I do fall, may it be with honor in glorious command.
There will be no glory today.
Oh,
Only pain.
he's remembering his son. Oh. Up in Northrend. So, nice.
You have earned your warrior's death, my son. Yet once again, I am denied it.
Yeah, he's been through every war since coming through the portal.
What are you doing?
Claiming what is mine.
What is he doing?
Go back. I said go back. Live another day. Go back to your father.
I can't. He's dead. The horde. It's all we have.
So, you know me. Is that it? What I've seen? What I've done?
Saurfang. For the horde, my friend.
Live another day.
Without armor.
Wow. Alright, so I'm going to try to talk about this without spoiling too many things for what's coming up, but clearly Saurfang is disenchanted with the horde. The war chief has caused him to act without honor, and he is unhappy. He has been fighting all three of the wars, fighting since coming through the portal. Every expansion he has been a main character, always fighting for the horde with honor. And the new war chief he's having trouble with, I'm hoping she's going to be redeemed at some point in the storyline, because she is my queen. But Saurfang is not pleased with her, and is pretty much done fighting. Until at the very end when he saw the horde banner, it got his blood up again. But his story's going to take an interesting twist here next week when the Battle for Lordaeron comes out and the results of that cinematic. If anybody, those of you who have done it in beta or whatever, will know what transpires. Those of us who have done the beta as well with the introductory quest line will know what happens. But his storyline is going to be very interesting, and I'm a horde player. I am for the horde. I'm supporting Sylvanas and what she's doing, although I don't understand why. I don't care that she killed all the night elves or burned the tree. That rubs a lot of people the wrong way. I'm okay with it. But I'm interested to see where Saurfang's storyline goes, and how he deals with his honor issues with how we've had to move forward this storyline. So we're all going to find out soon enough. What day is it? The 3rd? We're 10 days away from the expansion drop. We'll have the Battle of Lordaeron next week, and then after that we're headed off to Zandalar. So I look forward to seeing you all out there, and we're gonna get out there and in war mode kick some Alliance ass. So looking forward to it, and I'll see y'all out there. Peace or war.